Hi guys, in this video we will see how to perform recommended maintenance task automatically in Windows 11 to keep your Windows 11 PC running smoothly by performing recommended maintenance task automatically. In this video we will see how to enable or configure automatic maintenance in your Windows 11 and 10 system. Go to Windows search and type system maintenance in the search field, and under available result choose perform recommended maintenance task automatically. Click on it. System maintenance window will now open. Troubleshoot and help prevent computer problems. Click on advanced and make the check against option apply repairs automatically and click on next. Detecting problems. Issue might be found troubleshooting with administrative permissions. So try troubleshooting as an administrator. Here troubleshooting has completed. No changes or updates were necessary. Click on close. Now go to Windows search and here type review your computer's status and resolve issue, and here you will find security and maintenance under control panel, and you can see under security no any issue found, no any action needed. Review your computer status, internet security settings, user control account and some other features. Go to maintenance and check review your computer status. Under maintenance you will find any issues, then follow on screen instruction to complete the process. In my case, your file history drive was disconnected for too long to keep saving copies of your files, so choose run now and review other process and follow on screen instruction to complete the maintenance process of your system.